Good morning, everybody. I'm Josh.
And I'm Rachel.
And today I'm super excited about this one. We've actually been planning this for a couple months now.
Yeah.
In a few minutes, we're actually going to be picked up here at Park MGM by Gunship Helicopters.
We're going to fly in a helicopter and shoot some guns.
Yeah, shoot a machine gun. So, come along with us. We'll show you everything that we do. Hopefully we get some great footage of this. It's going to be a blast.
Let's go on an adventure.
All right, so it was about a 45-50 minute drive out here. I actually wrote to Rachel while we were on our way, and I said, like, if this were a mob movie, this is where they'd take you to go dig your own grave.
Yeah, it's a ways out there.
Yeah,
And
we were like in the middle of nowhere.
I wasn't used to it, but we turned onto a dirt road and he put the four-wheel drive on. I was like, there's no snow.
Right. Yeah, no, it is a rocky drive out
Yeah.
here. So I would advise, do the car, have them pick you up. But right now, our helicopter is inbound. We are actually going to be the first. So there are 4 other people here, but they drive you out here. They just did the safety briefing. We'll show you there's a mock-up of a helicopter that they told us all what to do. There is a little gift shop. There are bathrooms on site. What else is there?
That's about it.
All right. So they did tell us that you need to do minimum of 3-second rounds or 3-second shots. I won't say what phrase they told you to use, but if you know a military term for how long to shoot your machine gun for, go ahead and put it down below.
That's right.
I believe it's a M249 that we're going to be shooting today. We both have 200 rounds to start. It is an extra $250 for 100 rounds. So if you get up there and you're like, I want to do more,
You can.
you can. It's expensive, but
Yeah.
I mean, where else are you going to do this?
That's right. Let's go.
Welcome aboard. Can you both hear me?
I can.
Very nice. I want you to unbuckle that seatbelt, get a little closer to the edge of the seat there, and kick that left leg out.
All right, before takeoff, it was good. Clear right and above.
Clear left and up.
Roger, coming up. CG, flight controls, power on, normal, I'm good.
One northbound southeast.
Roger, one northbound.
Alright, man, you ready to set the tone for everybody else?
I think so.
Remember, nice long burst on this gun to keep it running. If it stops working, I'm going to take the gun from you and get it working again. I got North Kingston clear.
Roger, North Kingston clear. Clear to load your gun.
Clear to load. Open top my control.
Roger.
Before you kick that leg out, right hand here, left hand right there. We're going to lean into it a little bit. We're going to look forward on the mountain. You see those white sandbags? Orange silhouette in front of it. That's your target. I want you to focus on where your rounds impact the mountain. Go ahead and pull that trigger. fire for me? We're going to get this orange guy. You see him on top of that rock there? Blast him. Good hit, temporary ceasefire. We got like one or two more good bursts. Wait for my thumbs up. You see that orange guy? He's laughing at you. Go ahead and get him. Nice. Nice.
Awesome.
Excellent. What'd you think?
That was awesome.
That was great shooting. I got weapon and cabin secure.
Roger.
You didn't do first.
I know, but you just start holding it.
It's
and you
addicting.
can't stop.
Oh yeah. No, you did really good.
Like, once you, I was like, I can't stop. You don't want to. Like, you don't want to try to just do, oh, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
There's quite a bit of difference flying this than there was flying to the Grand Canyon.
Yeah, no kidding. Just a small difference.
Big difference.
Yeah, he'll give you more action too if you guys are enjoying the flying.
If they want it, the next one we will.
Oh yeah. You get a great view of those tanks from up here.
Oh, yeah.
What's up, Kingston?
Roger, South Clear. Sounded like they wanted a little bit spicier of a flight.
Oh yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Have you guys flown in helicopters before?
We flew to the Grand Canyon with Maverick.
Oh, that's right. You guys were just talking about that.
Yeah.
You guys enjoy it?
We did, yeah. That's a bit more,
Touristy.
yeah.
Touristy to clear.
Roger, clear load, your gun.
Clear load. Weapons on by control.
Roger, weapon hot. And target's 1 o'clock.
Roger. All right, sir, kick that leg out for me. Right hand, left hand. We're going to look forward on the mountain. You see these white sandbags coming into view? Orange silhouette is your target. Wait for my thumbs up. I want you to focus on where your rounds are impacting. Go ahead and blast them. There we go. Keep it coming. Keep that red one. Down and right. Get the leg down. Good. Keep following that ridge line. Temporary ceasefire. I want you to wait for my thumbs up. Right. You see this orange guy in front of the sandbag? Blast him. Good hits. Strike. All right, man. Let me see. That's all she wrote. Would you like to purchase any more?
I think we're good.
All right. Bring that leg back inside for me. You guys did pretty good. Weapon A cabin secure.
Clear down and right.
Right. Good job.
Nice, thank you.
All right, we just got back. That was a blast.
That was badass.
You may have seen our video before where we took the Maverick helicopter over to the Grand Canyon. This is not that kind of helicopter. No, this is like door open,
No,
hanging
no,
out.
there is no door.
Yep,
There's no door. There's no side.
You can probably see I was holding on for dear life because he was even like going back and forth on us a little bit.
Yeah, he said he want. What did he say? Want a more. I can't remember his word. Well,
Sounded like they wanted a little bit spicier of a flight.
Oh yeah.
he said something the pilot did on the second flight, and I was
Yeah.
like, thank goodness I'm on this side. They had the wall.
Yeah, I was a little scared. It was a blast, though. I will tell you, the rounds go fast.
Oh, so fast.
I was a little nervous for Rachel because her first time pulling that trigger, she didn't stop.
You can't. I don't even care what you have to
Yeah.
admit. Like, it was so cool.
We went into it with a game plan of holding it for about 3-second bursts, which you can hear people shooting in the background right now.
Oh, yeah.
But it actually goes better the longer you hold it, and
It's
that's
so much
what
more
they said.
fun. Yeah.
It's more expensive too, so you can go ahead and add on to it. We did not though, so we actually both had 200 rounds. It didn't last super long,
No.
but it was so fun.
It was so worth it.
Great experience.
So awesome.
Highly recommend.
I don't know that there's any more you could say. That was awesome.
All right, well, as soon as our car mates get done, we're going to be headed back to Vegas, so it's another 45 to 50 minutes back. I did check, and that with $1,500, you do get the car pickup,
Oh,
which
okay.
honestly, if you're going to be doing this, you're
It's
probably
worth
going to be
it.
doing it
Do
for
it.
2 people or more.
Mm-hmm.
But do check out, we're going to have a online code that you can use. It's going to be JR Food and Travels.
Yay!
Just go ahead and type that in. You're going to be able to get a 10% discount. So go ahead and use that code. We will make sure to put a link so that you can see, and we'll add it up on the screen right now so that you can see what kind of deals you can get. But use
Take
that.
a chance.
Yeah.
Do it. It was
JR
fun.
Food and Travels. That's your code. If you're interested in doing a similar package to what we did, you can do the aerial gunner, which is currently at $650. You get 125 rounds in the M249, a souvenir video, and free transportation for 3 to 6 shooters. If you're looking for a little bit more action, you can do the step up to the high roller at $750. You still get 125 rounds to the M249, but you can also do 2 rounds through the Barrett 50 cal rifle and 30 rounds through M4A1. The Adrenaline Junkie at $900 increases your amount of rounds in the M249 to 150, 6 rounds through the Barrett 50 cal, and 90 rounds through the M4A1. If that's not enough action for you, here's a couple different packages where you get to shoot from a armored personnel carrier or even a tank. If you're enjoying our videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.
You can also follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All the links are down below.
Thank you.
Hi, we would like to thank you guys so much for all your support and watching our channel and supporting our videos.
And if you're interested in supporting us even further, please feel free to join our membership, which we call the Gluttons because obviously we like to overindulge in food, drink, whatever. But if you want to, you can get some benefits. That includes a private Discord where you can get behind the scenes pictures, contact with us like pretty much nonstop.
Yep.
Find out about places we're going to go to and where we're going to eat before we actually post them. You get early access to our videos.
And even a chance to maybe help us decide on where to go next.
You can click the link down below. It says join. Otherwise, we'll put some details in every video where you can click a link to join.
And thank you all to those current gluttons out there.
Thank you.